Hello, it's Christmas Eve, 24th of December. Let's see what we've got inside our VW Advent calendar today. It's the final piece. We're going to put it all together. Let's have a look. Let's go. Okay, 24th. What have we got? Final piece, the final piece of the puzzle. Hey, there we go. The base to the car, but we still have no screws. For number 8, I didn't get out the screws. Good. So we do have everything. So let's get it all finally assembled. Okay, there's our car. Let's put this 1976 sticker on it, I think. Here. We have our little controller, the button in, well there we go boys and girls, that's the base put together. I guess we need to put the rest of it together and see what it all looks like. So I'm going to show you what it's all like completed and put together in 1 second. But first, talk about the Mark 8 Golf GTI Club Sport. The new GTI top model for 2020 was expected to be the GTI TCR. However, Volkswagen withdrew from the TCR racing series. Club Sport designation proved to be the better choice. Distinguishing exterior features included newly designed front apron, decorative side stripes, a big roof edge spoiler, and the exhaust tailpipe. It produced 300 brake horsepower and a torque of 400 Newton meters at 2,000 to 5,200 RPM. The most powerful Mark 8 Golf is no longer the GTI, but the Mark 8 Golf R. Has a top speed of 270 kilometers an hour, or 167 miles an hour, 320 brake horsepower, accelerates from 0 to 62 in 4.7 seconds. Well, that's it for our facts. Now let's have a look at the final product. Thank you for joining me on this journey up to Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's not been for everybody, some people haven't liked it, but those who have and who've watched all the videos, thank you very much. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. All the best for 2024. Got a new video coming out tomorrow regarding the GTI. That's it for now. Until next time, thank you, goodbye.